Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Dress to Impress tag on your Discord profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. The DTI server on Discord has just added a DTI tag that we can put on our profile, our Discord profile. So first of all, you need to join the Dress to Impress community on Discord. To join the Dress to Impress community, you can go to the Discord community and you're going to search for the Dress to Impress. Okay, and then you can join the server on Discord. Okay, this one guys, this is the Dress to Impress server on Discord. Okay, and after you have joined the Dress to Impress Discord server, you can add the tag to your profile. Alright, and I'm going to click on this icon and select the server tag. Okay, and I'm going to click on adopt tag. And then we just need to check it on our profile. I'm going to open up my profile. And now the DTI tag has been added to my profile. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add Dress to Impress tag to our Discord profile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.